Quick reading for January the 9th to January the 10th, Taurus. Parang mahihirapan si person, no? Ibalik yung dati. It felt like something in you changed. Parang you shed your skin. Hindi ka na niya kilala. Well, may reason kasi parang feeling ko hindi mo naman 'to gagawin just because, 'no? Siguro nasaktan ka nitong taong 'to. I think that this person betrayed your trust. So I think the walls are a little higher than the usual. The Ten of Wands, medyo hirap na nga siya, no? Or parang ikaw din nahihirapan ka, ibalik din yung sarili mong tiwala sa kanya with the Ten of Pentacles and the Six of Cups. It felt like talagang nabawasan, hindi na siya gano'n kasaya katulad ng dati na nagsisimula kayo, or hindi na siya gano'n kasaya simula nung I mean katulad nung dati nung hindi ka pa niya nasasaktan. Ang hirap mag-heal, 'no, parang hindi kita mapapatawad, or ang hirap, napatawad na kita pero hindi ko makalimutan kung ano yung mga nagawa mo sa akin. It will take a lot of time and a lot of efforts for me to be the same way, 'no, to be the same person na nung nagsisimula tayo. This is your quick reading, Taurus, for January the 9th to January the 10th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.